Mix 1 part CHI Ionic Blondest Blonde Lightener with 1 part CHI Color Generator 20 volume. Section the head in 4 sections and spray CHI Keratin Mist over the pre-lighted areas. Start applying color in the middle of the nape area. Take small sections and apply the CHI Ionic Blondest Blonde Lightener in the regrow area. Stay 1/8 of an inch away from the scalp. Continue working toward the hairline in the front. Processing time 10 minutes with low heat and 20 minutes cool down at room temperature. Rinse the hair with lukewarm water. After rinsing the color out of the hair, shampoo with CHI Infra Shampoo and condition the hair with CHI Infra Color Lock Treatment. Tone the hair with 1 part CHI Ionic Shine Shades Liquid Color 10S with 1 part CHI Ionic Shine Shades Liquid Color Clear and 2 parts CHI Color Generator 10 volume. Processing time 15 minutes. Before using styling tools, apply a small amount of BioSilk Silk Therapy Light through the hair. Use the CHI Lava Hairstyling Iron to style the hair and press the BioSilk Silk Therapy Light in between the cuticle for shiny, healthy hair.